Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to download and install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download and install additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone. Also, it needs to be connected to the internet. It might be Wi-Fi network or mobile network, and you will need to copy a Google account from your phone to your watch, so you can use Google services on your watch. To connect your watch to the Wi-Fi, you simply open the settings, go to connections, Wi-Fi, and here you find the list of available networks. Find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, enter the password, and once you enter the password and tap on connect, the network will appear right here under the on button in the Wi-Fi menu, and it will say connected. And once it does, it means you have the internet connection. Okay, and to copy Google account to your watch, you will need to go to settings, then scroll down, find the option called Google, then tap on accounts. And if you have the account copied here, it will appear on the list, but as you can see, I don't have any. And to copy the account, you need to tap on the icon right here. It will open the page on the phone that is paired with your phone. On the phone that is paired with your phone. On the phone that is paired with your watch, my bad. And on this page, you need to select the account you want to copy, and then you can tap on continue, confirm, and it will start signing you in on the watch. And once you copy the account, you will be able to use Google services. So let's wait until it's done. Okay, supposedly it's done. So if you go back to the Google accounts menu, so Google accounts, the account will appear right here on the list, which means that the account is copied and it's working. So once you have the internet connection and Google account, you can download the watch faces through the Google Play Store. So if you open the Play Store on your watch by opening the menu and tapping on Play Store icon, here you can scroll through different categories, look for something you like. For example, I'm gonna open style your watch, look for some watch face I can use. Let's see, is there something I can download here? All of them are not free. I need to pay for them, which is not great. So let's look for something, maybe different category. No, doesn't look like I can find different category. Okay, so let's go to style your watch again and look for something. Oh, okay, I found something, I think. So this one is free and I'm gonna tap on it. And once you find the watch face you like and tap on it, you'll see this big install button. And to install the watch face, you can simply tap on it. But before you do that, I recommend to read the description, see the screenshots, how it looks like, and also read the reviews to see if it's working well. Okay, and once you decide to install the watch face, simply tap on install button, tap on the checkmark to confirm, and wait until it's done installing. Okay, and you have this big set button after you install the watch face, and you can tap on it to set it automatically on the watch face, because by default it won't be, but I think it will set it automatically anyway, because the set button disappears after a few seconds, and if you go back to watch face, it will be applied. But if it wasn't for any reason, I don't know why, open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face, then scroll through it, and if you don't find the watch face here, you can tap on add watch face, scroll down, and it will appear at the bottom of the menu somewhere here in the downloaded, and you can tap on it to add it to the menu, and once you add it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. Okay. You can also download the watch faces through the Galaxy Wearable application, so the one that you use to pair the devices together. So we can open the Galaxy Wearable. Here you should see your Galaxy Watch 8, and you can tap on watch faces, and as you can see, we have different categories, and under them we have watch faces, and some of them have this download button on them. It means you can download them basically on your watch. You can tap on it, tap on allow and install. You will need to log in into a Samsung account, I believe. It should redirect me to login page. Yeah, I'm gonna tap on continue. Something is not working. Let's see. Oh no, it is working. Okay, so it's downloading. And once it's done downloading, it will basically, it won't have the download button anymore on it. And then you can tap on it again. It will be added to this list right here, and you can then tap on it to select it and apply it. As you can see, the watch face is downloaded now. Doesn't have the download button, but has X button on it. You can tap on it. It will be added to the list of watch faces. And it will be applied automatically, but you can change the watch faces if you like to. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.